So how now use washing machine on the river? I don't get that.
More easier. And then they must bring up one bag of water. So more easier.
Yeah, you could also wash down here. They're doing a great job, you know. Trust me, doing a great job. So I must say, I'm 15,000 here from Anonymous for you. You know, from St. Bronx, New York. 2005 here, another donation from Auntie Pat. Yeah, so this is 7,005 from Auntie Pat.
Auntie Pat, thank you so much and never make your food basket run dry. And
thank you very much. God bless you. I hope you have a great day.
Alright.
I don't have no much words, but I do appreciate your donation you gave us.
Yeah, no, much people down there. Oh yeah, the flick. Oh yeah, got the flick.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well guys, as welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Blessed love guys, blessed love. So you know guys, as I planned, say I was gonna come to the river, you know, come get myself washed off. You know, so you know it's early. The members them, you know, rest of the Esther and them like is at work and everything and boom, so and Christopher meant to come, but Christopher got caught up enough to do stuff today, you know, so I'm going solo, you know, at the river, you know, so you know the thing goes already. I never got my swim the other day, I never got my wash off, so I'm making this trip a solo trip, you know, to get my wash off, you know, sit in the river for a little while, you know, and relax into the nature vibes, you know. And then now just head back on the road, you know. But I know Cranberry them will be there because they don't have any school, you know. Cranberry will definitely be there. So you know, one Sunday they're gonna come around. So because I'm in the area, so that's my mission today, you know. You hear this, the morning voice, the wakey voice. Yeah, so that is the mission, guys. So I needed it. So that's where I'm going, guys. So remember, please to put the thumbs up if you're watching. You know, I haven't put the thumbs up. Just pause the video for a minute and put the thumbs up and come right back. You know, if you enjoy this program. So yes, guys, I'm heading to that place right now. So I can feel my tiredness. I just need to relax a little bit in that river, make it beat down and enjoy myself, and then head back out. I just need that. I really need it. So stay tuned on that journey. Bless you. Alright guys, so I'm here and as you can see on my journey, Rasta Boom, you know, Boom and Jackson and also Esther come join me on my journey. So yes, so they're here to swim. So yes, trust me. It was raining as well to up here. Raining, it's not feeling cold though, but yeah, it was raining. So I'm also going to see Cranberry them to give them a donation first, and then after I'm going to choke off. I'm going to relax in the water. Muscles them need to relax. Go and sit down in the water. Water go and beat on higher. Say more water. Them say more fire, I say more water. Okay, but I say more fire, but I say more water. Cars there. It no matter the rain. People is here. People is here to swim. So. But there's no sunlight, you know, overcast. It was raining.
The wild one that you say are fine.
The wild one that wild. That's wild out. Cranberry! See that? Oh, them a swim. Them a swim. Willem. Oh yeah, the wash?
Yeah.
The washing.
Just in my arm also. Just bring them to my river, but to the rain upon. Normally, they just put them on the swim. Yeah, they do it and then stop.
Oh, it's a June. Woo! Jackson, wash off your shoes. I want to go right over this. How deep is it? Stay in the shots and go right there. Yeah. Never. When I had a football, I really take out a lot out of my legs them. Feel it a bit. Eh? Yes, sir. You have put in some work?
Yeah, around the studio and clean off. Sorry, I wait for some sun. Me got some sun, but people reach up it. Some others are going clean up on a corner there.
On the farm side?
Yeah.
You can't even make no water touch your foot the door.
But I'm put my water, eh? You know, some I go up there, go look for it when me do.
Yeah.
Today me ask boy, today me relax in the water when time I'm done. Today I feel like to swim. So far the current come? So how now use washing machine on the river? I don't get that.
More easier. And then they must bring up one bag of water. So more easier.
Yeah, you could just wash down here.
Yeah.
They're washing here in the river. Washing machine at the river. At the first me see this one. Washing machine at the river.
You never want no money, man. Did I ask the way you're there?
Boom, where you have on the menu? Boom, what's on the menu?
Boom smart.
Steam from last night, sure.
Oh, boom, steam the fish.
Let's catch the fish and we're there at the river at the time.
Yeah, we catch him up, Grandpa Falls. Guys, boom, steam fish and bring him corn bread. You mean, boom? That is it. Corn bread. So the corn bread, yeah? Wee! Corn bread. Oh, they want them taco there. Oh, see them there. Kenisha, come let me have two donation food. So we can give you them come swing on the water. Relax, man. Esther change on ready?
Mean business.
Esther mean business. Yeah, I know talk of them I go and come swim.
What's the proper? But that's just gonna have big pool. Esther, I'm gonna have big pool. I'm not seeing
The extension is long, bro.
I don't have big pool. She asking me now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a long extension, the bill, man. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Hello. Yeah, put your bath soon. How about this now? We have your big bread here, Nana. God, you gonna share? What kind of bread that? Gratin bread. It warm? No warm. So Esther, you're not gonna swim. We are swim today, you know. So Esther gonna swim.
Tell them I read.
Hi,
That's my niece.
Your niece. Tara, you're not telling me hi. Tara, a while ago you wasn't in no hand.
You're not getting the time. You get the time, Cranberry? You're not getting it.
Now cook?
Some of them cook. Uma look for I call
Soup. Yeah.
Alright. One more time. You get it?
Who this? Come here.
That is set. It's not. Yeah, you got something there?
The bird. Cranberry. You that swim? She not. She,
you know that Marley, she help me wash.
yeah.
Yeah, them that actually help me wash. Just say, Toka!
But Cranberry, I come for swim, you know. Yeah, Esther change, I go swim.
I think yesterday, you know, that me there, I look for my mother.
Yeah, actually.
Rain. And that me tell her too.
But it's still rain, some still come same way.
And you still have to come.
Yeah, I go swim. I go swim. You go save me.
Yeah?
Hey, so I'm gonna finally see you swim, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's that?
So Esther change already.
Yeah. Yeah. Like she come right back to there. So me pack up my jar, let them know. Man, even know when me do my clothes.
You say you pack up your jar already?
Yeah. I know for them jar no pack.
They don't want to draw then. Talk on the pack up our jar yet. Talk up, look for your swimwear. Let me check on the pine. So right now I'm pine watch. I'm doing some pine watch. Every time I come here, I see the lizard that come from around here. That lizard that try first me. See it there? A pine watch. Eh? She just reached. So it look like the dad been doing some more digging. As I can see, the dad been doing some more digging, guys. Been digging off. So this is even getting wider. Okay. So basically, what he's doing is digging off the hill, and then use it to dump up, and then he's gonna box and cast it, to hold it. So that's what he's doing. So as you can see, he's been digging a lot. There's a lot of digging been going on, because even this space gets so wide. Look, this space gets so wide. It's a lot of space already. That wasn't like this, Okay, so it's been dumped up here. Okay. Oh, so the dad been dumping up as well, as you can see. He's been dumping the whole of here, so. So all of this has been dumping again. So it's been dumping and bringing up and put up more blocks as well too. Okay. So guys, so this is the toilet they used to use. So this is their toilet, that they used to use. So just imagine that. That's the toilet that they used to use, Come to the rest of black, them come up? Yeah. Still out? Yeah. Okay. Alright, then we'll pass. Yeah. Either dump up here, so? Yeah. Dump up here? Yeah, I realize it kind of dump this up. You plant some pepper tree? No, some flowers. Oh, flowers. Oh, this. So just dump it, make it look a bit higher. Yeah. Come and notice it higher. Oh yeah. This though? Yeah. Where is the stone? Yeah. So we're gonna do it right here, so black you gonna use him? No man, I go I told me about this man. Yes, I remember this I pull I cast up, yes, I board it and I black it up and I cast it, board it up, and cast it to steal it up and black it up. Okay. See if you go take a day and just once you pull it down, you just bring it up same time. I mean I just pull it down so I take out the side and cast it. Yeah. Who do we? Yeah. And cast it. Okay. So the cast and now you can pull down after and I went to black up. I just pull it down from there. But just take off the bottom board there. And board it up and cast and steal it up. Okay. There's a son to me can bring it up all the sun whenever I just want to bring it up to me. Tell me say I bring it up but him not too far over there. For the sun? Yeah, that's when you can put it down all over there. Where there? This side? Or up that side. Up the side there? Right, wash sun? Yeah. All that. Use everything man. You see the black you use cast everything. See
That's why I have to go dump up back over there. So I'm going to just build a little while, go straight craft before I pull up back. So when it's going to reach it.
Yeah. I'm kind of to say it's really high now. You know, it's really, really high. Half of the hill I dig it half of though.
No, sir, I know I just the foundation when I dig this, sir.
Okay.
Use the dirt back here, sir.
Can I see I dig off the hill as well?
Yeah, because I have to time I cut it away. That's what I just want to do there.
Yeah. You have to go build up something yourself as well. You can sleep for a while ago.
That's what I don't want to look over. I just want, when I finish up, I just build back a little wall, so touch back a little level, go right back on.
Yeah, can you sleep for a while ago?
Yeah, slide.
Yeah, I come down. You know.
I understand to see how
Yeah, take your time, you know. So.
Down there, someone, to make us start down there, so I say, no, man, I'm going to clean up down there.
Oh, so that it'll clean up the farmland? See it, man. So that's banana tree alone you plant?
Yeah, banana alone down there.
So with them here, they might hold up the land, right? The banana tree.
Banana tree really hold it up, the fruit tree more hold it up, like all them here. Tree them.
Yeah.
Yeah, more hold it.
Oh, so you have to plant more fruits.
Yeah, more tree, right. That's why I think you plant them here.
Right to the edge.
Yeah.
Because when them come with the roots.
It's a tree, but now I'm going to move it. Yeah. Put it back down there, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm going to do donation first before I go away. So them ready. The Olympic swimming team is here. Finally, we're going to see Cranberry swim. Finally. So you eat gratin butter and give me none. I say you didn't mean?
No. I think you're gone.
Why you think I'm gone? Nana, what you think I'm gone? No, I don't understand this. Come and go and do this. Come. I don't know how you think I'm gone. Tara, you gonna swim?
Hey!
Tara, you gonna swim? Tara, beg you some? Can I have some of your juice, Tara?
I want to come.
Tara, can I have some of your juice?
Yeah.
Tara, can I have some? Let me have some, please. Tara, give me some, no, Tara. Tara, give me some, no, Tara. Tara, you're not giving us. Tara, give me some. 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 Tara, not giving none. Tara, hold on for our bottle, boy. Guys, so we have the swim team is here. Cranberry is going to swim. Nana is going to swim. And Toko is going to swim. Tara is going to swim. Everyone's going to swim. And Esther ready for go swim. And then me I go swim. You know. So at least there's no sun. No bag? No. Yeah, don't have to put table in the bed now. Take it up.
Which one? Down this one?
No. Down there, sir.
Yeah, down more. More better.
It's not deep.
No way, it's
Not deep. Who said deep? Not deep. Because people down there. Oh, the water go that.
Look dirty.
Look dirty. Yeah. Water go that look a bit dirty. Yeah.
More people come.
More people are come. See? So that's our wall off down in that space there, so. It's alright then, so. Alright, make you go swim. Okay, you really want to go? I want to see you swim, you see? I really want to see you go swim. Yeah. You cold? So if you cold, I'm going to be cold then. What is? That means I'm not going to bother swim then because I'm going to cold. Alright, so here, mommy. Alright then, let me make it like this. Alright, so for Cranberry, you know, to help out from Richie and Odessa, you know, from London, England, you know.
Richie and Odessa, thank you so much from London. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
And this is $8,000 from Richie and Odessa.
Thank you so much, Odessa.
And Richie.
And Richie.
Yeah. Odessa and Richie.
Thank you, Odessa and Richie.
Yeah. So Toko, Odessa and Richie.
Odessa, thank you. I know make your basket never empty.
So you're gonna teach them to swim? Yeah? Alright, okay, go in swimming class soon, you know, yeah? Yeah?
Look,
Oh.
look, they back a swim like the water.
Bring who? Who? Oh, look a man. Look a man can swim too?
Not that one there.
Oh.
The one and bring one here. The right inside.
Oh, your friend where they start them with? Where they say that will come back?
In the number no.
Are you there? Yeah, yesterday.
Who again?
Your friend. Mother.
Oh, Christopher Ellis.
Yeah.
Oh, Christopher said I'm kind of tired because she's been doing shows, busy, practice and perform, so not getting much sleep. Indeed, he was gonna come. So we have 7,005 here, another donation from Auntie Pat. Yeah, so this is 7,005 from Auntie Pat.
Auntie Pat, thank you so much and never make your food basket run dry and may God bless you.
Yeah, from Auntie.
Pops, thank you so much. And make your food basket never empty.
Auntie Pat.
Auntie Pop,
Pat, yeah.
thank you so much.
Alright.
Me.
You too?
Yes.
Say thank you, Auntie Pat.
Thank you, Auntie Pat.
She said, me. Tara, you're gonna teach me to swim, Tara, and I go swim. So we give thanks to Richie and also Odessa. You know, we thank you so much, you know, for your donation. And also Auntie Pat, you know, we thank you so much, you know, so that is it, guys. So guys, you know, I'm gonna head to Clarendon as well to link up with Junior Lifestyle, you know, and also we partner with Stones Chronicles as well too, who sending some stuff to help out with the family as well too, you know. So we're gonna make that trip down there. Yeah, so we're gonna drive down with a couple of the members them, you know. We're gonna also have an adventure for the day. So we're gonna stay tuned for that one day, you know, down in Clarendon with Junior Lifestyle, you know. So we're gonna have a wonderful time, catch and cook and all our vibes, you know, and then get the package and bring it down for the family, you know, because Mr. Stone said something, you know, we're gonna help finish off with the bathroom and everything, and then pack her box with some clothes to the girls then as well too, you know. Stones.
So thank you, Alvaro Victor. Thank you so much and make your food basket never run dry.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Your food basket never empty.
Never empty. So everything goes right. So right now I'm gonna go to the water, go swim. You ready? Yeah. Ready to go to swim? Cranberry, you ready? Shall change. Hey. First, guys, finally we're gonna see Cranberry swim. Never catch her swim yet. What about elastic? You have one elastic? Just one. Now guys, when I catch up my ear, so please don't laugh at me. I'm gonna catch up my ear and then put my water cap on as well too. You know, so my ear not too wet up. You know? Why are you laughing? So I'm gonna catch up my ear. Yeah, may I catch it up. So may I make it all the can. Hold it. Hold it. You wanna hold it? Alright, so hold it already. Hold it up. And catch up my ear. Cause I have my water cap. Oh yeah, give me. Yeah. Give me that. Take up one day.
Come down.
Catch up my ear. Catched up in a tree, so I got an arm. Right? One arm there.
Like two.
Yeah, give me next one. Next one.
And the next one, I got that back three. Mommy, one more.
One more, yeah. One more on here.
And then it done.
So I'm gonna put on my cap now. Yeah. One more at the back. It's a tree.
Tyra laugh.
Tyra, why are you laughing at me? So I'm all set.
Pretty.
Look like you have two on like goat. I got two goat on. Toko, why you laughing at me so much? Why all of you laughing at me? Let me see my goat on. Oh Lord. So I'm gonna put on my water cap now. Yeah. Like everyone laughing at my ketchup. You ready? Talk. Change, Cranberry, change and come now. Change and come. So guys, I'm gonna go down. You know. I'm saying the reason why I'm catch up my ear like this because I put on my water cap. You know, so I really don't want to wet up the whole of my ear because trust me. To do that the whole of the ear I have to do right now, so I can't do it yet. Right now it's wet. So through the place is wet, you have to know your step. This is the part. See? Coco, Anana, I don't like how you're laughing at me now. No, I can't believe. Why do I look like a girl? Eh? I look like a girl?
Yeah, you look like a girl.
You look like a girl?
Yeah.
I don't believe you. Coco, really? No. So that means I got a girl hairstyle then. They're laughing at me, guys. Alright. This part is tricky. It's wet. No, I see the danger up here when the place is wet. So you have to run down like ninja. Please take over. Esther, cool out. I'm to the pool around there, so it no, I said the pool around there, so it not fix up back yet. Oops, my head dropped. Jack, so what is to be there? I'm going to take a look at the water here, so. Cameraman Jackson. I'm going to look at the screen with this. Yeah? So we have the new video man, all this in your hand. See, y'all see me now, right? You not see me?
Yeah.
Y'all see me?
Yeah.
Press the black button twice.
Which one, huh?
Yes, press it twice, quick. You press it quick twice, no?
Yeah, watch the red something there. Anytime
Yeah.
come out and press it.
And also you can bring it down to see me.
Yeah.
Yeah? That's how I go on.
Yeah.
I'm never teaching you for black. But Jackson, I want you to drop.
Yeah.
Look at my arm is green out. Arm is green out.
Yeah.
Woo! The water cold. Cool up the body.
Yeah.
Is that it? Yeah, no. Body needed that Jackson, not lie. What a force, you know. But
Yeah. Let me tell Boom say you saw the part, you see the body now swim over the water run.
eh? You can't swim. Come out the water, come. Come here. Come. The bucket and come. Step up. Jackson, pull her around. Jackson, drop. I think some of that man. She had a dolphin. Cranberry wants to see, but we're going to go to the pool. Yeah, no, much people down there. Watch out. Oh yeah, the flick. Oh yeah, got the flick. Alright, boom. Boom decides they're going to take on the water.
I never want to come in there. We have to sleep and walk. And now, come. I see you up here.
You're not carrying no clothes. Yeah.
You want to go and talk about it, no? You're the water.
Oh, no, not turn. Not going to go, man. Yeah, come first down there. People down there. Relax on the rock. The water be hot. Yeah. It's ice. But you have other spot up the river though. You have other spot up the river. Up there?
Cool.
Not cool, but I feel nice.
Look how big cool.
Cool, because it could have rain. Nice. Tara. Is Tara too cold? Cranberry, swim right in here, so. Yeah. Swim from right, start from around there, so. Let me see if you can. Let me see Cranberry swim. Cranberry. Carry, I walk with your hand. Yeah? You can't trip me. Alright, float for your back.
Float. Oh.
For your back. No. Toko, come here, Toko. Toko, come here. No, you end up on the ground. Watch your nose. Good. Go Cranberry. Go Cranberry. Go Cranberry. Go Cranberry. Hey, go Cranberry.
Esther.
Come Toko, come float Toko.
See Nana the way you look for. Oh,
Nana, where you missing? Toko, come float on your back, Toko, come. Take a go Cranberry. Go Cranberry.
Water look cool. I know mommy.
Water not cold, but it's alright. Yeah.
They put the body bed. I look him never had nothing.
Normally, the people in Money come on one time right after the normally are one of the reasons.
But the sun is coming out. The sun is coming out. Esther, she don't want to swim. Leave her. Man, Tara, so. Choca. Aquaman is on the moon. Come to her. Eh?
Follow look bean and peas, people. See them?
Yeah.
Show them. Yeah.
Here in a fall. Samara, what's up? Toko, where you beat up the dog for? Yeah, but Toko, you beat up the dog for? Where are you beating up the dog? You see yourself? Go here. Oh, not a family photo.
Then dog, you're too sad. Then dog. Take a whole lot. Ready? Sarah. You're not alone. Cheese.
Take. It's a tip.
Yes, Daddy. She said we stick it up in our wall.
Hey, get away from my soup. Get away.
Get away. Hey, put down. That's your my soup. Eh?
The soup is not for you. Well,
You want some?
you want some?
Yeah. Come ask if me tell her to bring one for me. Never you me a call. Me ask her key one bring one.
Something nice. No meat at all in the Cranberry.
No meat.
But still eat it.
Cranberry eat it.
Remember so what them
they are
call
foodie.
me make it too and me drink them stuff. Me not eat meat in them dumpling. Eh, Daddy?
I get one for you.
Eh?
You should get one for you.
Think you're gone.
Everything my gone and Esther Stadium.
And that me a say too. Boom, I'm most vexed. I'm tell Boom, I say me a go for start and me no find no start and me have to stay at my baby sister and she come out in the rain. You tell her? Yeah. Daddy, go look here. Go look for it. Signal bad.
Up here signal is bad. Signal is bad up here. Toko in a ballerina. Toko in a ballerina. Toko ballerina. I'm drinking some of the ital soup. Ital. Straight vegetable soup. Coconut milk. Ital is vital. Coconut milk soup. Want soup? Yeah, food up here.
Daddy, you can't have the bag.
You have chicken in a
They eat up the chicken down.
I say not even one piece of chicken, we get one piece, single piece, then the
How comes?
I just the the one single piece. I'm not even piece.
And even none of them eating.
21 piece, them eat up and only leave one piece.
One piece.
A 2 piece we left and then we go for it the other day and left 1 piece to mother and father.
That's not good. That's not good.
Look at it, Daddy. We say,
I'm coming like Nana in the night, Nana take my phone and I watch.
sure.
And we are told them like so in shower to show, she just go in there.
And I eat again.
And she alone wake up, you know.
Yeah.
Watch out the whole we drop asleep and then too, yeah, wake up every night and watch show pan.
On the phone.
Nana can beat until the morning and still wake up.
And act like you asleep and you see your mother.
And me and the younger person, if somebody come, I can't know say somebody coming up. Like anybody coming at the yard, the dog them.
Wow.
So I know to them. Nana, they say until I come phone and bring it on. Nana TV so bad.
Every night, I eat and come down and turn it down sometimes too.
Nana, you eat up the chicken, Nana.
And Nana, so can you tell us?
Talk, how many chicken you eat? How much piece?
Little much piece.
Eh?
Look at.
You eat 6 piece? 6 piece you eat?
And then we go back for it. What,
10? Look at me there. Where's she go there?
Yes,
Where's she get up there?
Yeah.
What's in here? Got train.
She did that thing.
No, I said no. I want to ride my back.
Let me see.
She.
So I'm a father, my father. Mommy, look at that picture. Hurry. Show my mother. Hey, man, I broke our phone. Pass it, pass it. Look here. Her father.
Hey, Nana, you're that cruel.
See your phone, what your phone, if you broke out your hand, I'm on it. You broke out the phone, yeah, with the hand, I'm listen to you. Yes, sir. You pay about money, I like that.
So look at I want something nice.
Can you show me a movie, you know?
Alright. Have a safe journey.
Yeah.
Tell him bye.
I'm dropping a little miss. So bye bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye bye.
Have a safe journey. When you go home, you can't come. Please. It's a member. That one you tell me to not come. You never that come.
I want to go on Jackson. I want to go on Jackson. Jackson, tread cross water. Jackson, that's a tread Stoker. Bye bye. Nana, bye bye. Yo, twirl it.
Boom.
Watch out, all your nose that eat. I say you eat.
Boom. Say not tell me later when me do you vex me. Boom and laugh.
Yeah. Here.
Later.
Yeah. Here.
Come and come up here.
Yeah. You have to go. You hold it and ring it. What if, yeah. Are you to Tara? Or Tara? Alright guys, so you know the thing, bro. Heading home now. Heading home now after that nice little vibes, you know, good vibes and everything. So gonna head back into Trench Town. Yeah. So the rain kinda calmed down now because it was raining before. So rain done. Alright then, bye bye. Up the road now. Bye bye. See you, Banana and Toko, up the road. Alright then. Up the road. Bye bye. Tara. Bye bye. Tara. Bye bye.
Bye, Daddy. Stay not talk to me how you sit on the car so fast. Later, we can have a safe journey.
When you're brown,
High five.
Later.
Tara, high five.
What? What's up, boom?
Man.
She not give you high five, she want to give.
Where's Nana? Nana keep her missing in action. Where's Nana? Nana.
Nana hide.
Come up the road. Bye bye.
Look for the water. Esther. Look at Esther. Look out your face. Hi, big finger.
Go on. Alright, the next even pay for wash it. Bye bye.
Come. Naika, come. Hurry.
Yeah. Nana, go on, Nana. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Boy, that fence that tight. These are man slim and me have to come through sideways. Imagine if me did fat. Just imagine. Yo. Just imagine if me did fat I come through the yard just now. So I guess guys, so we're back here in Trenchtown. So I'm going to drop off a donation for Shannon. Oh, them start clear out the yard. Let's clear the house.
I look away. Yeah, man, them say man take it from
Museum? So they... Oh. Yeah. So this is the original. Wow. So this is where Bonnie Wailer was living. So when Bob Marley come to town, he was living in here as well too. So, yeah. No. But look upon this. This house is falling apart though. You know, because this caught a fire. You know, so they basically want to turn it into a museum. Wow. Anyway. History of Bob. So guys, I cannot tell you the full history of Bob. You know, I can tell you piece. Or somebody tell me what I go. Yes, but you know the other day I was giving out some US, you know, Ava did send, and I did end up giving Boom 20. You know, but through it was a mistake. Boom name is there, but next to it was like Smiley, but the mistake about it was through Boom Aria Smiley and then put Boom Smiley. You know, because hello Shanette, because Mario smiling. So I guess the next 20 meant to go to Boom, because Boom meant to get 40. So correction. So this is the next 20 from Ava here for your Boom. So that's
Ava, thanks and blessings and one love, respect, thanks.
Yeah, so Esther is outside, so Esther gonna get here next 20. Hello Shanette. How you doing? You're fine. Was you sleeping? You just wake?
No. I already wake a long time ago.
Oh, a long time ago.
Yeah, then I start playing on my tablet.
You're watching TV?
No,
Playing on your tablet?
I'm playing something on my tablet.
Okay.
It's a nice game.
Okay. So how was school though?
Oh, school, it was nice.
It was nice? Okay. Doing your homework and thing?
Yeah, but some kids on YouTube says homework is stressing. And they always showing their brain is cartoon.
But it's not. But it's not stressing for you, right?
It's stressing for me, and then because we have to write a lot of things off, and then the teachers don't take the paper.
Yeah, to check your work.
They don't want to take the paper.
They don't want to take the paper.
No. And we wakes, and the kids on YouTube work so hard. The teachers don't even take their paper, and they say they'll stop doing homework.
So where's Daddy?
My dad's inside.
Eh?
My dad is inside.
He's inside. Call him. He's not coming out yet. Oh, that body cat. Just awake.
Just a week. Work me I come from, nip on it, get peace out. Me nah work, you know. When we get peace out over action day.
Work I go on action?
Yeah, man, I don't know, look good thing I go on over there. My father get me and give me peace out, you see?
Oh.
I feel good.
Yeah.
Exercise, you see?
Yeah.
Manners and respect.
Manners, man. One body cat.
One thing. One gym.
One team.
Alright.
That
manners,
is it.
Everyone.
One body
Manners
cat.
all to the donors, them. Manners and respect.
Yeah.
Good evening and respect every time, you know?
Hold on, man. Listen, Master League soon start back for you.
Yes, I. Yes, sir. I'm in there.
One by in. Father for the years, see the man himself.
You know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Come see the princess come out and you know come out. So I said, where's daddy?
I
Just
watch something for the internet, isn't it?
oh, so you get caught in the TV now?
Internet, still up on the internet.
On the internet. Just.
Dad's always on the internet.
He was also on the internet, right?
He's always on.
He's always on the internet.
He likes learning about history and stuff.
Oh, he's learning about
And
it.
also scares me about scary things in the latest history.
There's a peer history. Yeah, watch. I come like my father, I peer Discovery and History Channel them watch too, you know.
Them thing are my things, you know?
No, Discovery
Discovery and history.
and History. I peer that my father watch as well, too, you know. And then Monday.
But now I watch two of them things.
Yeah, and my father still watch cartoons here where. My father still watch them all time cartoons. Say.
I'm take it easy so much.
Yeah.
I'm get fed up with that. Give me TV.
Yeah.
Go and watch the media.
Yeah, well, my father, man, I love him cartoons, see me.
Yeah, man.
I really glad to man, them History Channel.
Blessing and good evening to everyone right now. Look, you know, on the
Yeah.
channel, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, you know, father for the year.
Yeah.
I'm very my boy, you know.
Father for the year. Yeah.
This man I got you see too, you know.
Yeah?
Take blood test and urine test. But everything alright still.
Them say everything good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The medication, the much I say, it's a cover for it. It's strong towards you. I'm more strong than much I say.
Yeah, so she good then.
Yeah.
So,
The medication, she get like this. You get the salt to flush the kidney back.
you got salt
Yeah.
to flush the kidney.
Salt, yeah. Salt in a pot.
Yeah.
You get like a music. Sometimes you get the medication, you just give her like flush back the kidney.
Oh, push back the kidney.
Yeah. The guy you see, you know, come up, the guy you see, I told them I carry span.
Okay,
So
okay.
I get the test this morning, but for you see, so everything my kidney function right and
Everything a function. That's good then. That's
give
good.
thanks and we get it back for field for a car. The ultrasound show everything alright.
Yes. I told you that day would come. Remember when it just started?
Yeah, my ass don't worry.
Yes.
You know yourself.
Imagine that when
the operation.
Yeah.
It might take long to the operation. So you have to know yourself.
yes.
But they go later, man.
When they go say, yo, finally now we can cross the line there. I remember one time. Yeah, from a long way when the man used to stress and I worry. And I say, yo, don't worry, man. That day is gonna come in and say, yes, finally now we reach that part. Everything is over and everything is right through. You see me, our legs them get straight and everything, you know. And look where we at now today, you know. They're getting straight. Look where we at today. We give thanks to
You know?
glory to the Almighty Himself, you know, and the extended family will thank them so much.
You know, people them
The donate,
donor them man.
extended family them.
We love you know. That's the truth. We love you know. Call put motivation on it. Straight.
Yes.
Yeah man.
It was a journey.
Whenever we adults, probably. We don't have the doors, but we have, you know, my mind is weak and we have cry and all the way. Because that's till I reach one night time, till my boy see me and say, boy, yeah. So I got there, again.
Yeah man, stay sure.
Right now, I'm proud of my heart to say that right now.
Yes,
That's the truth. So, give thanks to all the donors them. See what I go on and help me on this thing. You see me?
Yeah.
Love on it, again.
Every time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so we give thanks. So me also have 2 donation here, you know, for we have 2 donation here for your daughter. What's her name again? Ven. Yeah. Or Shabian. Yeah, so this is for Ven. We have 5. She's Shabian.
And she, you know, it's an hour.
She spent hour 2 in the bathroom?
Yeah, she spent long now.
Eh? Wow.
She has to come out, she have 1 baby soap.
Eh. Wow. So that's, I guess that's our comfort zone.
Come out asking why.
Why? So I guess that's our comfort zone then.
Yeah, man.
When she in there.
Flower.
Yes, leave her.
Yeah, she had time. But the other time she come out, she feel good on Shanda water.
And she had the water though. 1 hour 2. Wow. So I have $5,000 a year for her. You know, from Anonymous, from Bronx, New York. It's 5,000 there for Ven.
Anonymous.
Yeah, man, from
Well,
New York.
respect. Respect. It's a big thing.
Yeah.
Then, so, from my heart, I tell you respect. Then, and love. You see me? Big up yourself for the year. You see me?
Yeah.
Give thanks. Blessed. You see?
Yeah. So we give thanks to Anonymous from Bronx, New York.
Yeah, Anonymous from Bronx, New York.
Okay, Shannon, you want to thank Anonymous? Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I hope you have a great day.
All right. Then.
And I don't have no much words, but I do appreciate your donation you gave us. I could deserve that for my sister. Because my sister, she likes, she likes money too. She just, yeah,
She can't spend it.
yeah, she's an inside person just like me.
Like, 1.5 years.
Yeah, I understand.
So you tell her, she's not going to remember.
Oh.
I'm continuing. I just continue with that still. Because I just feel like, say, one day to have a click.
That click. That's, yeah, because you have faith. That can happen.
Feel like I say it all, you know?
And you know that. Alright, so we got a donation from Anonymous, same way. This is $15,000 here for you. You know, from Anonymous.
Most of the time about that, emotion.
Yeah. Just okay.
Even some of them get beat on that. Yeah, that's it.
See me.
Come like say, boy, part of them there to help
Yeah, man, we are here for a purpose, you know?
one thing, look on it.
I know.
That's right, yes, sir. Just get,
Emotional.
last time I said, God, give me a present. And present is live and know what you are. You see? If a man of you, I'm going to say, love you.
Sure.
Love you. Because I'm going to you see, it's worse and shit. So that's why I have to love my you see children.
Yeah.
Pour me out. You think I said, you can't hear me. They look, me have somebody help me. Right, the donors, them so. And the father, I tell enough man, I'm on the youth, put love in them. Give them $1,000,000%.
Yeah.
Give them the want, the last. I want to give them the last. You send them back then, then we never see.
True.
When I give them nothing, we never see them.
True.
Then, naturally that. $1,000,000% if you go on the youth. Like when I do that, now I have it in the future. When I say on the youth, but when I say, in the long one, church and now I get nothing. I'm lost on the youth. Then, but the youth know where I'm going to. Then, my youth them can't tell because friend, they want to say they're not good friend. They don't see it either.
Yeah, true.
Then, so when she come from school, I just book. Maths, English.
Straight in the book.
Yeah. Until we just say, go and take 2 hours on the tablet. You see?
Yeah.
Have your phone on the TV.
And then after that,
Then
to the
after
book.
book again. Bedtime book before she go to bed. That's something about it. Then,
Yes.
I go and shove it.
The IQ.
Then, and I come there so far.
You're doing a great job, you know. Trust me, you're doing a great job. So I must say, I have 15,000 here from Anonymous for you. You know, from same Bronx, New York.
Anonymous from New York. Well, I love and respect you know. And what you're doing is a big thing right now. I'm tell you the truth. It's a big thing. And food are going to the house. We can pay at the hospital. And we love and respect, because you see, something like father talk to you. You see me? And we love to see the boy, you see video and you push out. You love the family. So the whole of year, more of a blessed year, you know. More God blow and breeze upon you. See? Just blow and breeze upon your sister boy. He's a good person. You see your heart clean and your heart good. See? Because you see it and you just do something. You see?
True.
And I love to see you look. You got to see that. So, for the whole of the year, more of a blessed year. You're anonymous. So we love you for that, is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Shanette, you want to tell Anonymous thank you?
Thank you very much. And I hope you have a great day in New York, which I really wish I want to go.
One day.
Yeah. I want to go to New York one day with my dad because I like New York.
Okay.
Just like French. I know how to speak French, but I don't want to speak it in this country.
Okay.
Because I studied on my tablet.
You study on your tablet? Wow. You can say one for me? You're going to teach me?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour means good appetite.
Yeah.
And what else you want me to show you?
I don't know.
Another French thingy. We also go like this game, you know? That's what I like about French.
Okay. Alright then,
I
Shanette.
want no one think I'm talking money.
No, you're not. You're not. You're done good. High five. Thank you so much. Yeah, man.
Anonymous. Love and respect, you know. You see?
Alright.
Love and respect. I'm love for where you're going with it. You see? Because right now with the power face, because I'm going to do everything you will see right now. I don't know if I got them face, you have to have it. You see me?
Almighty bless you back, man.
So bless you and love for where you're going.
Yeah.
She said, you see it? You see it?
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Shanette. Bye.
Bye.
Alright then, Father. Continue the work, see me, yeah?
Now you big me to go and go people that's the father for the year.
Yeah, boy.
So me have come this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Father for the year, you say, love and respect.
Yeah, cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Yes, guys, so we give thanks for the donation, you know. Thank you so much. Anonymous, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Esther, here is your 20 US also from Ava. Yeah, from Florida.
Thank you, Ava. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Alright then, so we give thanks. How boom gone?
Let me circle the ground.
Let me circle Bob Marley yard. This is Bob Marley original yard when him come from country. You know. It's a bird.
Yeah, man. The next one, I look for the nest. I look for the sea.
You say jump out of the nest.
The nest him jump out of here. Yeah, man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.